Seminar on psychology.
வர ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுன்னா அப்படி அதுல பரவாயில்ல, எனக்கு கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கும்.
செமினார் on psychology தான்.
ஆமா.
Good morning, ma'am. Shall we start, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Gayatri, should I start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am, start, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning to everyone present here for the seminar. And at the outset, I would like to thank the psychology department for inviting me to start this seminar. See, actually, we are all going through a worldwide pandemic with many cities and countries now shutting down. And most of this is have been affected. Some of us in the area is already affected by coronavirus, while others, we are just bracing for this, what may come. We are not very sure. And often we keep wondering what is going to happen next. And see, in these time of uncertainty, there are certain things we are finding it very difficult to handle. One is we are not able to meet our friends, and we are not able to meet our relatives, and also that we are not able to go out much. We are contained within our four walls itself, and this has definitely impacted us in different ways. It is it is causing in many certain amount of dread and panic. And this is the time when we have to definitely think about how we are going to manage this anxiety and fear. And one of the best, the Department of Psychology has developed what is known as the positive behavior therapy, which is actually a package containing both the Eastern technique, which is based on yoga, and Western technique, which is based on cognitive behavior therapy. Many research have already been undertaken by the department staff to prove the efficacy, the emotional, how it brings about emotional intelligence, well-being, and also academic and achievements. And today we have Dr. S. Gayatri Devi to present us manage stress by using positive therapy. To give a very short look into her biodata, she has completed her UG, PG and MPhil and PhD from Madras University. She has published more than 52 articles in peer-reviewed national and international journals. Got a very wide research experience. She has guided more or less 7 PhDs, completed 7 PhDs and 10 MPhil theses. And at present, there are 6 students who are pursuing PhD and MPhil, 3 MPhil students under her. She has presented more than 30 papers in various national and international conferences, has attended 26 workshops to enhance her knowledge in this field. And she has been a resource person in many institutions like Academic Staff College in Bharatiya University, PhD Nursing Colleges, NSS Unit, Southern Railway, the empaneled NSS unit of our own university. And she has spoken on various topics like self-management, youth counseling, personality development, and research methodology. She has completed more than 2 ICSR projects and one on these topics of positive therapy. It is, and she's currently having an ongoing ICSR interest project on imparting self-protection skills through innovative, integrated, and intervention package for children with special needs. I don't want to take much time and handing over to Dr. Gayatri to take over and complete our session. I wish the department all the best and looking forward to see more of such webinar programs. It will definitely benefit the students as well as the faculty. Thank you so much, Gayatri, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Professor. It is the working man who is the happy man. It is the ideal man who is the miserable man, by Benjamin Franklin. As per the quote, Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram, former Chancellor and Managing Trustee, is working with enthusiasm. My heartfelt gratitude to him to offer all the facilities to the members of Sharadalaya. At times, we feel outnumbered in our attempt to improve the world, to brighten and beautify, so to preserve and heal and do what is best for humanity. Selfless efforts can start to feel beleaguering, discouraging, even pointless with so little support. It is at these times I remind myself that I would rather be last good Samaritan standing than to join the ranks of selfish multitude creating misery. By Goodrich, as per the quotes, our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Krishna Kumar, is encouraging all of us to improve. I thank our Honorable Chancellor Ji. My reverential gratitude to Dr. Premavati Vijayan for permitting me to conduct the webinar. My sincere thanks to our beloved Registrar, Dr. S. Kausalya, for permitting me to conduct the webinar. My sincere thanks to our beloved Dean, Dr. K.T. Geeta, for introducing me. And I would like to thank the deans from various schools, Professor, my dear friends, students, participants from various institutions, and the total participants registered for the program is 1,205. The topic which I am going to present to you today is stress management. While there is life, there is hope. Stephen Hawking. As per the quote, you should just please go through his biography and you will not feel stressed at all. Stress management is nothing but managing any kind of stress within our coping strategies. The stress-related disorders are migraine, backache, heart disorders, essential hypertension, diabetes, asthma, cancer, post-traumatic stress disorders, depression, anxiety disorders, and adjustment disorders. Today, I am going to teach you positive behavior therapy. There are many kinds of relaxation techniques are available. Jacobson progressive muscle relaxation, otherwise known as behavioral aspirin, autogenic relaxation, and positive behavior therapy. Positive behavior therapy developed by Dr. Hemalata Nadesan, former professor and head Department of Psychology, Avinashalingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore. The benefits of relaxation techniques are: it slows down the heart rate, lowers the blood pressure, slows the breathing rate, improves digestion, maintaining normal blood sugar level, reducing activity of stress hormones, increasing blood flow to major muscles, reducing muscle tension and chronic pain, improves concentration and memory. It helps the individual to have a pleasing personality with positive perception, improves both physical and mental health, helps in the management of negative emotions and promotes cheerfulness, helps people with adjustment problems, marital and family problems, insomnia, aches and pains such as migraine, backache, anxiety disorders, stress disorders, hypochondria, depression, and suicidal tendencies. When you are practicing positive behavior therapy, the room should be silent. It should be properly ventilated. There should not be any lights. If you want, you can have a minimum light. Inform others that you are going to do relaxation, not to disturb. Cell phones needs to be in silent or vibration mode. If you want, you can wear a loose garments and it should not be very tight. It should be very comfortable. Shall we start doing the relaxation training? First, deep breathing practice. Deep breathing practice will enhance our lung capacity. At this juncture, we need to take care of our lungs. So, deep breathing is very much needed. I would like to give examples. Dog's breathing rate per minute is 30 to 40. So the lifespan is very short. It lives up to 8 to 15 years and it depends on the type of breed. Tortoise lifespan is 80 to 150 years because the breathing rate per minute is 4. When an individual wants to live for long, concentrate on your deep breathing. Shall we practice deep breathing? Please sit erect with head back straight and relaxed. Palms on the lap facing upward and feet placed on the floor, 1 foot apart. Breathe in slowly for 4 counts. Breathe out gradually for 6 counts. Otherwise, lie down comfortably, keeping your legs and hands apart in a comfortable position, facing the palms upwards without pillow. Breathing in, breathing out should be gradual without any jerks and should not be any tension on the chest and shoulders. Anybody having respiratory problems, hypertension, and heart diseases need not follow the instructions. It can be gradual in a pace convenient to you. Now, all of you, please close your eyes. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. When you breathe in, your stomach should come out. When you breathe out, your stomach should go in. Concentrate on your breathing. The breathing in should be shorter. Breathe out should be longer. That is the only procedure. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. 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 Now, concentrate on your top of the head. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe. Top of the head is light and relaxed. Top of the head is light and relaxed. Top of the head is completely relaxed. Now, concentrate on your back of your head. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Now, back of the head is relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fear, no tension, no stress, no pain. Back of the head is light and relaxed. Back of the head is light and relaxed. Back of the head is completely relaxed. Now, concentrate on your forehead. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Now, your forehead is light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fears, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your forehead is light and relaxed. Your forehead is light and relaxed. Your forehead is completely relaxed. Now, concentrate on your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Now, eyes are light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fears, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your eyes are light and relaxed. Your eyes are light and relaxed. Your eyes are completely relaxed. Concentrate on your mouth. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe slowly. Breathe out gradually. Now, your mouth is light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fears, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your mouth is light and relaxed. Your mouth is light and relaxed. Your mouth is completely relaxed. Now, concentrate on your neck and shoulders. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Now, your neck and shoulders are light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fear, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your neck and shoulders are light and relaxed. Your neck and shoulders are light and relaxed. Your neck and shoulders are completely relaxed. Concentrate on your back. Take a slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Back, relax. Now, back is light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fears, no tension, no stress, no pain. Back is light and relaxed. Back is light and relaxed. Back is completely relaxed. Now, concentrate on your chest. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. 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 Chest relax. Now the chest is light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fears, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your chest is light and relaxed. Your chest is light and relaxed. Your chest is completely relaxed. Concentrate on your stomach. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Stomach, relax. Now your stomach is light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fears, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your stomach is light and relaxed. Your stomach is light and relaxed. Your stomach is completely relaxed. Now, concentrate on your hands. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. 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 Now, your hands are light and relaxed. No thoughts, no worries, no fears, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your hands are light and relaxed. Your hands are light and relaxed. Your hands are completely relaxed. Now, concentrate on your legs. Breathing slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gradually. Now, your legs are light and relaxed. No thoughts, no fears, no worries, no tension, no stress, no pain. Your legs are light and relaxed. Your legs are light and relaxed. Your legs are completely relaxed. Concentrate on your deep breathing. Inhale positive thoughts. Breathe out all the negative, useless thoughts from the body. Inhale positive thoughts. Breathe out all the negative, useless thoughts from the body. Inhale positive thoughts. Breathe out all the negative, useless thoughts from the body. Inhale good health. Breathe out all the aches, pains, and sicknesses from the body. Inhale good health. Breathe out all the aches, pains, and sicknesses from the body. Inhale good health. Breathe out all the aches, pains, and sicknesses from the body. Inhale happiness. Breathe out all the worries from the body. Inhale happiness. Breathe out all the worries from the body. Inhale happiness. Breathe out all the worries from the body. Inhale strength. Breathe out all the weaknesses from the body. Inhale strength. Breathe out all the weaknesses from the body. Inhale strength. Breathe out all the weaknesses from the body. Inhale success. Breathe out failures and fears of failures from the body. Inhale success. Breathe out failures and fears of failures from the body. Inhale success. Breathe out failures and fears of failures from the body. Inhale love. Breathe out hatred and anger from the body. Inhale love. Breathe out hatred and anger from the body. Inhale love. Breathe out hatred and anger from the body. Inhale love. Breathe out hatred and anger from the body. The following auto suggestions you have to tell yourself without opening your mouth. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. I love everyone. Everyone loves me. I love everyone. Everyone loves me. I love everyone. Everyone loves me. I am not afraid of anybody. God is with me. I am not afraid of anybody. God is with me. I am not afraid of anybody. God is with me. I am bold and confident. I am bold and confident. I am bold and confident. I can achieve what I want. I can achieve what I want. I can achieve what I want. I can face my problems boldly and solve them successfully. I can face my problems boldly and solve them successfully. I can face my problems boldly and solve them successfully. Today is an excellent day. I will enjoy every minute of this day. Today is an excellent day. I will enjoy every minute of this day. Today is an excellent day. I will enjoy every minute of this day. Thank you, God, for giving me and my family all that we need. Long life, good health, wealth, love, happiness, and success. Thank you, God, for giving me and my family all that we need. Long life, good health, wealth, love, happiness, and success. Thank you, God, for giving me and my family all that we need. Long life, good health, wealth, love, happiness, and success. Students should give the following auto suggestions to yourself. I will enjoy studying. I will enjoy studying. I will enjoy studying. I will remember all that I study. I will remember all that I study. I will remember all that I study. I will do excellently in my exams. I will do excellently in my exams. I will do excellently in my exams. I will get good marks. 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 Now, all of you relax. Concentrate on your deep breathing. Now, this is early morning. The sun is slowly rising. The sky looks so beautiful. It looks so reddish. Everywhere it looks so green. You are slowly walking, enjoying the natural sceneries. Nice cool breeze is coming. You are extremely happy and relaxed. You are extremely happy and relaxed. You are walking further and further, enjoying the whole scenery. It looks so beautiful. Nice cool breeze is coming. You are walking on the grass. It is so chill. It is very nice. You are extremely happy. Your body is very light and relaxed. You are walking further and further, enjoying the natural sceneries. It looks beautiful. You are extremely happy and relaxed. You are extremely happy and relaxed. Concentrate on your deep breathing. Slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Concentrate on your deep breathing. You are extremely happy and relaxed. You are extremely happy and relaxed. Enjoy the natural sceneries. You are extremely happy and relaxed. You are extremely happy and relaxed. You are extremely happy and relaxed. Now, I will count from 5 to 1. When I say 1, slowly open your eyes. 5, your body is becoming lighter and lighter. It's becoming much more lighter and lighter. You are feeling as though you are floating in the air. Your body is light and relaxed. 4, your body is becoming much more lighter and lighter. You are feeling as though you are floating in the air. You are extremely happy and relaxed. 3, your body is becoming much more lighter and lighter. You are extremely happy and relaxed. 2, your body is becoming much more lighter and lighter. You are so happy and relaxed. Your body is coming to the normal position. Your eyelids are becoming lighter and lighter. Your eyelids are becoming much more lighter and lighter. You are extremely happy and relaxed. All of you, please open your eyes. I hope you all would have enjoyed the relaxation. If you are not able to open your eyes, sleep off. Whoever is able to open your eyes, slowly open your eyes. Don't strain your eyes. take your own time to open your eyes. I hope all of you have opened your eyes. I think that you're all relaxed now. In positive behavior therapy, there are 3 kinds of exercises. First one is tension releasing exercise. Second, smile therapy and laugh therapy. Persons with heart disease should not do these exercises. The merits of tension releasing exercise, it helps to release the tension accumulated in the body, get rid of fear, anxiety, anger, and worry. I will demonstrate how to do the tension releasing exercise. You have to bring the hands towards your chest. Breathe in for 4 counts and you have to say ha and throw your hands. When you are throwing your hands, you should say tension goes out, worry goes out, stress goes out. Whatever the negative thinking which you are thinking, that all that is going out of your body. This has to be practiced 5 times or 10 times depending on the negative thoughts which you have got. Then next one is smile therapy. It can be done in the sitting posture. When you are breathing in, you have to say E and you have to breathe in through your mouth, through the throat. You should feel the chillness in your throat. Okay. So I will just demonstrate 4 counts how to do it. Okay. Four counts of inhalation and 6 counts of exhalation. Even it can be longer. Again, I will demonstrate. 5 times to 10 times you can practice this. Then next one is laugh therapy. It can be practiced even in a sitting posture or standing. You have to just bend down your head. As you breathe in, you have to 4 counts, you have to come, you have to clap your hands and say, you have to laugh for 1 minute, looking at each other, and this can be very useful. So this laugh therapy can be practiced as a group or as an individual. It will be very effective. Smile therapy, what is the use of doing this is, it adds to the beauty of the face and makes people have a pleasing personality. It helps to prevent negative emotions. It facilitates better interpersonal relationships. It enhances mental health of people. Laugh therapy is otherwise known as internal jogging. It helps to lower the blood pressure, reduces stress hormones, increases muscle flexion, triggers the release of endorphins, boost immune function by raising the levels of T and B cells. Thank you. I have trained you in positive behavior therapy. If you have any queries related to that, you can post it. There are other kinds of relaxation. One is meditation. There are many kinds of meditation. They are mindfulness meditation, spiritual meditation, focused meditation, movement meditation, mantra meditation, and transcendental meditation. Tai Chi, it can boost upper and lower body flexibility as well as strength. It improves balance and reduces falls. It also helps to train the sense, which is a function of sensory neurons in the inner ear, and stretch receptors in the muscles and ligaments. Next, yoga. 2 days before we have celebrated International Yoga Day. The 5 yoga poses that will reduce the stress and anxiety are Sukhasana, Balasana, Pakshimotsatsana, Ananda Balasana, and Uttanasana. Biofeedback. It is a type of therapy that uses sensors attached to the body to measure key body functions. By promoting a more effective mental and physical response to stress, it aims to help to control the body processes like the heart rate and blood pressure. The next is music and art therapy. Creative art therapies are generally defined as the creative use of artistic media such as art, music, drama, dance or movement, or painting, drawing as vehicles for nonverbal or symbolic communication in order to achieve personal or therapeutic goals appropriate for the individual. Aromatherapy, otherwise known as essential oil therapy, it is a holistic healing treatment that uses natural plant extracts to promote health and well-being. It uses aromatic essential oils medicinally to improve the health of the body, mind, and spirit. It enhances both physical and emotional health. The other kinds of relaxation therapy, prayers, exercises, and massage. In our university, we have carried out a lot of research using positive behavior therapy. The problems treated by positive behavior therapy are stress, fear, anxiety, anger, inferiority, depression, insomnia, pain, essential hypertension, academic problems, adjustment problems, menstrual problems, premarital, marital, and extramarital problems, suicidal ideation. Thank you. If you have any questions, please post. I will answer. Any questions? I hope all of you are clear. Any questions?
Hello, I am Dr. Geeta. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So music helps to reduce the stress, Gayatri.
Yes, ma'am.
Music, how it reduces stress?
Because there are certain ragas which will reduce the thing.
Can you
Hello?
name some music or some songs or ragas?
I'm sorry, ma'am, because Dr. Priyadarshini in our department, she has carried out a research on music therapy. I don't know much about music, but they say that music therapy is used in Apollo Hospital to reduce the stress and control other kinds of emotions. Some certain ragas are there. People who are well versed will be able to answer your question, ma'am. I'm just telling you there are other types of relaxation available to reduce your stress because many may not be able to do. So in that case, whatever they like, they can do to overcome the stress. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other questions?
And your session was full of inspiration.
Thank you, ma'am.
And really it helps for our healthy body, mind, and spirit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other questions?
Hello, ma'am. I'm
Yes,
Madhurima.
ma'am.
Education mathematics.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm studying special education. In case of a
Yes.
special child, how come it is possible to give a stress management therapy?
Blind students will be able to do, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Even orthopedically, if the person has got any problem, they will be able to do relaxation.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In case of behavior, a child with behavior problems, it is possible to give them the same therapy you have taught.
For small children, if they have got special children, if they have got behavior problems, we have to first find out what is the reason. Whether if it is ADHD, we have to control all that with a lot of therapy. Only then you can. This is for normal children. Deep breathing, anybody can do it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Whoever is able to follow the instructions, it is very easy for them to follow this relaxation. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody? Thank you. Anybody?
Thank you.
Hello,
Hello.
Dr. Gayatri. I am Vijayalakshmi from Botany.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Da. It was very, very useful in this present situation, and everything was very clear. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Anybody? Anybody? Do you have any questions related to the relaxation training? Because I'm getting a lot of inquiries related to problems with adjustment, behavioral adjustment problems, emotional problem, relationship problems. If they are able to do this relaxation, they'll be able to come out of the problem in an effective manner. That is why I thought I should give stress management. Any questions?
Gayatri, one question.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
mentioned in after meditation, Tai Chi something. What is
Yes,
that?
it is a kind of slow movement therapy, ma'am. If you just a slight movement, ma'am, it will make a person normal.
Movement of body.
Yeah, slow movement, ma'am, rhythmic movement of the whole body.
Is it popular in Bangkok and Thailand?
Yes, ma'am. There. Yes.
The name says to Tai Chi.
Yes,
and something they talk about Reiki, no? What is that?
Reiki is distant healing, ma'am.
Oh.
And from distance, if the person is not there, we can send the positive ways. People should be trained in that, ma'am.
Oh.
I know only pranic healing. I don't know Reiki, ma'am. So in pranic healing, when a person is there in front of us, we will clean their auras and energize them.
Okay.
pranic healing.
Even that you teach to students, psychology
Yes,
students?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I've
Then
learned
one day
only
you can
basic,
speak
ma'am.
in
I have
our.
not learned 7 levels. The basic how to clean the aura I used to teach my students.
Okay, okay. Then one day you can speak in commerce department also for our students.
Sure,
Your
sure.
presentation is very good. Congratulations, ma. It's very
Thank you,
clear
ma'am.
and useful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Any questions? Ma'am, all these things we will upload in the YouTube. If you want, you can have it and practice this at home. Any other questions? Thank you. I would like to thank the.
No, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other questions? I would like to thank the authorities for permitting me to conduct the webinar on stress management. Thank you. Next webinar is scheduled on 30th. It is qualitative research. The students who are doing research, it will be very beneficial. Please log into that. Thank you.
Sure, ma'am.
Any other questions? Thank you. Shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Hello. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, in a chat box, they have asked the question how to reduce the stress and control negative thoughts by the way of meditation. It is asked by Jaya Ramani. Can you answer this
Okay.
question, ma'am?
Meditation. Meditation when we are just concentrating only on our breathing by chanting Om. All of you know that when we start chanting Om, the whole body will get vibrated. That will help a person will not have negative thoughts and they will be stress free. So meditation, mainly in transcendental meditation, it was developed by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. Hello? In that, they will chant Om. So if they keep chanting Om and concentrate on the breathing, and if they don't have any negative thoughts, and they will be able to overcome any kind of problems, any negative thoughts can be controlled. Any other questions?
Thank you for answering, ma'am, and there's a lot of appreciation in chat box. Thank you, ma'am. Wonderful session.
Thank
And
you,
all
ma'am.
the best for your future endeavors. And thank you, ma'am. It was very useful presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for useful session. Feedback link. We have asked for feedback link, ma'am. And even there's a question for
I'll send
e-certificate.
it to you immediately. Yes.
Hello. Gayatri,
Hello?
ma'am. This is
Yeah?
Gauri from Chemistry Department, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Gayatri, ma'am. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. Very excellent presentation, ma'am. Very informative session. Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Ma'am,
Thank
is there
you,
any
Gauri.
feedback form from you?
Yeah, I will send it by
Okay, ma'am.
afternoon. Yes.
Afternoon. Through mail or chat box, ma'am?
Mail.
Mail. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, there's one more question
Yes.
by Charunat. How can we teach meditation for teenagers? What is the minimum age to learn meditation, ma'am?
Meditation. Meditation, anybody after 7 years, they can do it, ma. No problem. Even teenagers can do this. They have to go and take Diksha from a person who's, they will ask your name and they will give one mantra that has to be chanted continuously. Or if you don't want to go and learn from others, ask your teenager son to sit in a place, chant Om. If they just do for 20 minutes daily practice of this, they will be able to overcome any kind of problem. Any other question?
One more question, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please suggest some therapy to overcome irritations and anger?
This just now I taught you, Noma, relaxation training. If you just start practicing within a month, you will be able to control all your emotions. You will become quite relaxed and you will not have the anger or irritation. The auto suggestions I taught you, Noma, tension releasing exercise. When you do that, you say that your anger goes out, worry goes out, tension goes out, irritability goes out. 5 times, if you start practicing daily, you will become all right each time. This relaxation will help you, ma, to overcome any kind of a negative problems. Anything else?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, any particular therapy for migraine?
Migraine, even this, I have done a research on tension headache, ma. The tension headache is not treated for long hours, long years, then it will turn into migraine. Okay? So, even one of my senior, he was working in KMCH and he has done the research on migraine headache sufferers. He has used Jacobson progressive muscle relaxation, and the people who have learned this technique, they were able to reduce the duration and intensity. So it's a very good therapy. You have to learn from the clinical psychologist, Jacobson progressive muscle relaxation, or you can practice this relaxation itself. If you are not tensed, then you will not have any kind of problem. One of my student, when she has to present for the seminar to us, immediately she will develop migraine headache. It is the trigger factor is stress. You should know how to keep yourself free. You should not be purred up for anything. You should be happy and relaxed. Anything else? Thank you.
Ma'am, they have asked about what's the time for next webinar.
Time is 11 to 12:30, ma. Because 1 hour presentation, half an hour. If you have any question related to qualitative research, you can ask. Okay. This is going to be presented by Dr. Kadiravan sir from Periyar University. He is the professor and head. 30th is the date, ma. I hope you would have received the link.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for teenagers, due to hormonal issues, many find difficult to even concentrate for minute meditation. Also, if we tell teenagers about God, they will hesitate to hear. Can you suggest a way to improve their concentration, ma'am? Asked by Charunat.
The person is start doing relaxation training, which I've trained you now. If they start doing it, their concentration power will increase. Then automatically the memory will increase. Apart from that, if they have any other behavior problems, even you can teach them Topu Karanam. I've done a research on Topu Karanam. It will be very useful, ma. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you hearing? Topu Karanam, if you just Google it, you can see it as super brain yoga. Otherwise, it's known as super brain yoga. But in Tamil, we call it as Topukaranam. It really improves any behavioral problems, and also along with that, they have to do this relaxation training also, which I've taught you now, positive behavior therapy. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Participants, any other questions? Please post it on chat box so that I can read it to ma'am. Yes, one more question, ma'am.
Yes.
And is aromatherapy can be used on old age people?
Yeah. Anybody, because they say that aroma, it will enhances our mood. And many jasmine flower is used as a tea so that the GABA will be increased or improved, the neurotransmitter. Or we can just smell it. It is more than enough, more than taking all that. They say that any flower will give a nice fragrance, will improve our mood, feelings. So they say best is jasmine and other kinds of flowers. Aromatherapy, they are using the extracts from the flower. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, one more question.
Yes.
Due to stress, many of the girls facing menstrual problem. What shall we do for that?
Okay. If they do this relaxation training, half of the problem will be reduced. And the girls who are having menstrual problem, it's mainly due to stress. So they should know how to, for tension releasing exercise, which I have taught Noma, that they have to do. Whatever stress they have got, they have to throw their hands and they have to practice relaxation training so that they will improve. Any other questions?
One more question asked by Roshna. Which is the most better stress management technique? Thus, it varies according to different individuals.
It is all a perception, ma. Anybody can do any kind of stress. They can use stress techniques. One is, which I've taught you, anybody can do it. Only that exercises, heart patient, asthma patient, and people with low hemoglobin, they should not do. The rest can do it. So it will be very useful. This relaxation, if you want, if a person, for an example, I have worked in Vellore for alcoholics, and I have taught individually everyone Jacobson progressive muscular relaxation. They were able to come out of all the problems. So any therapy you can use, but this is the very simple technique which I have used. That's why I'm telling, because we have used this relaxation training for varied problems, and they were able to overcome all the problems. Any other question?
Yes, ma'am. One more question by Arvind. How to prevent suicide, ma'am?
Because a person with low self-esteem, inferiority complex, only those people will develop suicidal ideation. If they practice this relaxation and the auto-suggestion, if they have to keep telling themselves, I am happy, I am healthy, whatever they wanted, whatever the negative thing which the person has got, they have to tell it as positive. Because when a person is doing relaxation, after that, when they start practicing, the mind will go into an alpha level. Whatever auto suggestion they are telling, it will go to their unconscious, it will come as a behavior. So I told you in the presentation itself, suicidal tendency will go off by doing this exercise. Auto suggestion is a must, because when you are relaxed, your mind will go into alpha level. So it is very easy to manage the suicidal ideation. Any other question?
by Aarti Damodaran, ma'am. When a depressive person is knowledgeable enough to take tools to take their own life secretly, why does the same brain function isn't diverting them to seek a way to live, ma'am?
Because from their childhood they would have achieved only all success in life. They wouldn't have faced any kind of failure. Even a small light one they are not able to withstand. That could be the reason. People, when they are very intelligent, they will not forget any moment what has happened in their past, and they will not forgive also. That is the problem of intelligent people. So if they start telling, I am happy, I am healthy after the relaxation, they'll be able to overcome all these things. That is why they say that always use positive words at home. Maybe when they were young, they would have been heard a lot of abuse, verbal abuse by the parents or the relatives or anybody. That could be the reason for them to have all these things. Anything else, ma'am?
Ma'am, please explain more about oil therapy.
Oil therapy in our India, Arya Vaidyashala pharmacy, they are using different kinds of oil to reduce our stress. So when we apply and take bath, that will give us a lot of relaxation. So in India, they are using oil therapy to reduce our stress. In Arya Vaidyashala, they are using mainly this therapy. Anything else, ma'am?
What can be done to a person with persistent sleeplessness even after trying sleep meditation music?
Okay, this relaxation which I have taught, they can use it, or they can, this will surely improve the insomnia, ma. It will reduce the insomnia and it will improve the sleep pattern. So it is very good. This relaxation itself, it's more than enough, because we have carried out lot of research on these people, and it really helped. That's why I'm strongly telling this will. And the person may have some other causative factors for insomnia. We should find out what is the reason. I will tell you one thing. One student who had come to me for counseling, she's outside, not our university student. When she was in her childhood, she was sexually abused. That had led to a lot of complications. And even we have to find out what is the reason. And the person can be administered with projective techniques to find out what is the reason for them to have the sleeplessness. When we rectify the problem, they will be able to overcome insomnia. Thank you. Any other questions?
How can we handle the teenager stress, ma'am?
Teenagers, I told Noma, this is the relaxation training, tension releasing exercise, smile therapy, laugh therapy. They will be able to overcome.
Okay. Is it similar to autogenic relaxation stress?
Yeah, because autogenic, only when a person is trained in JPMR, they will be able to do autogenic. So first, they have to be trained in JPMR. This, you need not train a person. Just breathe in, breathe out. That's all. Breathing in should be shorter, breathing out should be longer. Anything else?
Does this therapy useful for diabetic patient, ma'am?
Sure, 100%. They say that diabetic, the major causative factor is stress.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is hereditary genetic, it will work for 60%. Any other question?
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, they have asked for feedback link and whether the feedback link is for certificate.
Yeah, I will send it by afternoon.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please send the next webinar link in the chat box, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. College website, I will post it, ma. It's already posted, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And for the other participants, ma'am, from the other university and from other
Yeah. I will post them.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for answering the questions.
Thank you.
And participants, any other questions? Okay.
Shall we wind up?
Feedback link is posted on chat box, so please participants take note of it. And the next link.
Feedback will be sent through it.
No, feedback will be sent through the mail, ma.
And the link.
Yeah, I will send you. Link is sent for next webinar.
Okay. And the link is for next webinar. Please note that's not a feedback link.
I will. Yeah. I will.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
participants,
ma'am.
for
Thank you.
patience. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.